Meaning of distillation.
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 Distillation. Distillation is a process of separating the components of a mixture based on differences in their boiling points. In this process, the mixture is heated to vaporize the more volatile component, which is then condensed back into a liquid and collected separately. The result of distillation is a more concentrated and purified form of the desired component. Distillation is widely used in the chemical, petroleum, and beverage industries to produce fuels, solvents, and alcoholic beverages, among other products. It is an essential technique for separating and purifying complex mixtures with high precision.